Hello all. Today in this video I am going to explain about a book chapter which is indexed in Scopus and it is also in Springer journal. The book chapter name is Compacting. Here it is given Compacting Face News with Computational Intelligent Techniques, and it is a Springer publication book. So it is here you can see it is indexed in Scopus. Initially, the date for deadline date is July 10, 2021, but now they have extended to August 6, 2021. So the submission link is here. The to check the link of this book chapter, you can see my description box. So in there, I have given the link of this book chapter. So we can see the details regarding this book chapter. The highest advantage of this book chapter is it is free and it gets acceptance within 1 month. So the dates are given here itself. I will explain you clearly. First, we can see about this topics which this book chapter covers. Here you can see the most probably they are taking the fake news related subjects. So in that they are taking techniques such as machine learning, then deep learning, then overview on fake news features, detection and prevention, then fake news in online unstructured data, then fake news sources and social media. Then artificial intelligence subjects are also involved in that. Also some machine learning and assumption learning approaches, deep learning, text mining, sentiment analysis, graph optimization, then explainable artificial intelligence, and also coronavirus epidemic fake news is also covered by this journal, that is book chapter. Then some fake news prevention techniques. For that they have mentioned machine learning. In everything this machine learning, deep learning, text mining are common. So then here it also includes a graphic optimization algorithms, then explainable artificial intelligence, and also here they have included this corona epidemic. And then the features engineering also. Here also the techniques such as linguistics, writing style, sentimented based features, then social context based and user information based features, then feature selection techniques, extraction techniques, construction and reduction techniques, then feature analysis and fake news prevention, etc. And some other new trends on news, then fake news on social media. These subjects also uh, detailed in the can also given in this book chapter, that is submitted to this book chapter. Then also this blockchain technology, this is a new trend, so this can also be submitted in this book chapter. Then we can see about the committee members in this book chapter. So this is not important, just for your explanation have given the editors, then editorial advisory board, and also the reviewers. In case of suggested reviewers, you can refer to this section. And then the important dates is given, that is final date for submission, then how many days it will take for acceptance, publications, camera ready form, etc. So initially, as I have mentioned previously, its deadline was July 10, but now they have extended to August 5. Here it is given. Next, the notification of acceptance. Initially, it was given July 31st, but now it has given as August 25. So you can see the difference between the submission date and also the acceptance notification. It is only 20 days. So within 1 month, acceptance will be done, but the tentative publication only differs. So then the camera ready will be submitted on this September 10, and the publication second half of 2022. So if you have any queries, you can they have given a mail contact also, you can make in this. Then the submission for this book chapter, they have given a link. Here there is given a link. In this link, you can submit this book chapter, and the chapter should contain nearly 15 to 25 pages. And it is clearly mentioned that if the manuscript do not allow, the formatting rules will be rejected without review. So please make your manuscript within the formatting rules, and you have to um, and then only we have to submit in this book chapter. Then you can initially I said that this is a free book chapter in Springer, so they have given here clearly that is no submission or uh, acceptance fees is applicable for this book chapter. And finally, it is given that accepted contributions will be published by Springer, and it is initially we sent first, saw that it is indexed in Scopus. So this is the best journal book chapter because it is indexed in Scopus and also in Springer publication, and also it takes only 20 days to accept. So thank you.